Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make cabbage と鶏団子のスープ. It's very easy, healthy, and hearty soup with chicken balls and cabbage. The ingredients are so simple, but these simple ingredients cooked in one pot all together, it creates layers and layers of umami. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this cabbage と鶏団子のスープ. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams each of ground chicken and cabbage, some salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons each of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock and salt, 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch, some ginger, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and some green onion to garnish. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first, so let's mince the ginger. I'm using it with the skin on, but if you don't want to, just peel it. And green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together, cut them into half, put them together. And let's just make thin slices. And this is the garnish at the end. So let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. And cabbage. Let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. All the cutting is done. So let's get to the chicken. Minced garlic, ground chicken, potato starch, and some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. And knead this well until everything is well cooperated. Looks like my chicken is a little bit too lean and dry, so I'm adding a little bit of sesame oil. About half tablespoon. Now it looks nice and moist. Let's put 4 cups of water and all the seasonings in the pot. Four cups of water, 2 teaspoons of hondashi, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And just bring it to boil. Once the soup comes to boil, make the chicken mixture into bowls using 2 spoons and drop it into the soup. All in. Let's put the lid on and let it simmer for 5 minutes over medium-low heat. Simmered for 5 minutes and looks like chicken balls are all cooked. So let's add the cabbage. Put the lid back on and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Cook for 5 minutes and the cabbage is nice and soft, but it's not overcooked, so it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. Slice green onion to add the flavor and the color. If you want to add some spiciness, some black pepper or shichimi Japanese chili mix. I think I will go for some black pepper. And キャベツと鶏団子のスープ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. It's full of umami. Let's try the chicken ball. It's so soft and fluffy, and the ginger adds nice accent to it, and it's absolutely delicious. Perfect comfort food. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. キャベツと鶏団子のスープ is like main and soup put together. So let's put it here and nothing here. I think I want to have a little more green and protein. So let's have spinach and soft boiled egg salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. How about some onigiri, rice balls here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.